The India Bloc alliance seems to be falling apart as Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal today ruled out any possibility of an alliance with the Congress Party for Delhi polls. In a post on X, Arvind Kejriwal has said that Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting the election on its own strength in Delhi. There is no possibility of any alliance with the Congress Party. Well, this comes amid reports of an impending seat-sharing deal between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party for Delhi. With Delhi elections expected by Feb 2025, Aam Aadmi Party has already launched an aggressive campaign. Arvind Kejriwal has also announced several promises targeting key voter groups. Well, listen in to what Aam Aadmi Party leader Raghav Chadha had said.
देखिए, मैं ये बात स्पष्ट कर देता हूं कि आने वाला दिल्ली चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी अपने संगठन की ताकत और अपने राजनीतिक बलबूते पे लड़ेगी। किसी प्रकार का कोई गठबंधन का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता। ये जो खबरें हैं कि क्या आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के बीच गठबंधन हो सकता है, होने जा रहा है, अन्य प्रकार की खबरें, ये पूरी तरीके से निराधार हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी पिछले 3 दिल्ली चुनाव लगातार अपने बलबूते लड़ती आई है। चौथी बार भी वर्ष 2025 में जब दिल्ली में विधानसभा चुनाव होंगे तो आम आदमी पार्टी अपने काम की और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नाम की बदौलत चुनाव लड़ेगी और चुनाव जीतेगी। किसी प्रकार के गठबंधन की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं है।
Well, my colleague Ishika joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Ishika, after the Congress Party's poor performance in the recently held state polls, the Aam Aadmi Party has also made it clear that it doesn't want to take any chances with getting into an alliance with the Congress Party for the Delhi polls. Where does it leave the Congress Party now?
Well, Kitty, more so regarding, the poor performance of the India alliance, specifically the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party alliance in the Lok Sabha elections that we saw here in the national capital, especially. They won 0 seats. And that is why certainly right after that we heard first it was Gopal Rai, who is in fact, the Delhi state convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, announcing that the Aam Aadmi Party will be going solo for, in fact, these state elections. And after that, we saw, in fact, in the press conference also, Arvind Kejriwal making it very clear. And today itself, in fact, he is reiterating the fact that there should be absolutely no possibility of any alliance between the Congress Party or the Aam Aadmi Party. And Aam Aadmi Party would be fighting these elections with their own strength. So making it clear for their volunteers as well, for the party workers as well, who are present and working on the elections here across Delhi, so that, they are not confused here. While, if we talk about the Congress unit, if we talk about the Delhi Congress unit, well, they have always been a critic of Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, but the national leadership of the Congress Party, till now, they are neither denying nor they are agreeing to any possibility of any talks regarding the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party for the state elections. Even today, the state leadership, in fact, the national leadership of the Congress Party has not given any reaction on Arvind Kejriwal's tweet so far. So certainly, it will be interesting to see whether or not, there can be any kind of talks at the last minute or not. But how will it impact both the parties? That certainly remains to be seen.
Clear that there is not going to be any alliance between the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party for Delhi polls, and same was made clear by Arvind Kejriwal in a tweet earlier. Well, remember, the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party had formed an alliance for the Lok Sabha polls. They fought the polls together, but for Delhi polls now, after the repeated poor performance of the Congress Party in the recently held state polls, now the Aam Aadmi Party has made it very clear that there is not going to be any alliance between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party.